Hey, I'm Josh. I'm the manager here at ProPhysio Plus. So as you can see, everything has its place and everything is in its place. So we like to keep things nice and tidy for our clients. And yeah, pretty much everything just goes back away once they're... What is going on here? I swear to God, some people just don't put their bloody weights away. Sorry about this, but like, bloody hell, how hard is it? It was literally three steps away. Anyway.
As a physio and a coach here at ProPhysio Plus, one of the things that I teach is personal responsibility. Part of that is ensuring that our clients in between sets make sure they put their equipment away and tidy up after themselves so the gym is in a nice space for them. Now, obviously, when I'm getting a quick pump in between my clients,
pain is weakness, even the body. 1002.
That's also something that I do myself so that I lead by example and people can see that I'm not just asking them to do something that I wouldn't do myself.
1003.
As a leader in this community.
Mate, are you serious? I keep blaming clients for this, and this is you every time, isn't it?
No, I didn't
That's
do
it.
that.
Nah, shut up.